Did you know that while your reverse osmosis system does an excellent job purifying water, there's always room for improvement? Think of it this way. While your RO system filters out major contaminants, it's like a strong fortress with sturdy walls. Add-on filters act like specialized guards, each trained to handle unique challenges. Whether it's reintroducing essential minerals, balancing the water's pH, removing hard water material, or ensuring no harmful substances sneak through, these add-on filters have got you covered. Please follow the instructions in the video for proper add-on filter installation procedures. Installation. Before we begin, please verify that the tubing connecting the RO system to the drinking water faucet measures 1/4 inch in diameter. If the tubing is of a different size, you'll need conversion fittings. Step 1. Make sure the tank valve is in the closed position, shut off the feed water to the RO system, and turn on the drinking faucet to release any pressure inside the system. If you have a tankless system or a system with a booster pump, make sure to unplug the power. Step 2. Find a suitable location to place the add-on filter. A set of filter clamps is recommended to mount the add-on filter on the system or on the wall. Install the add-on filter to the clamps following the water flow direction and mount it on the system or on the wall. Step 3. Measure and cut the tubing connecting from the final stage of a standard RO system or from the purified water port of a tankless RO system to the drinking water faucet. Catch water from the tubing with a towel. Step 4. Connect the tubing from the outlet of the final stage filter or the purified water port to the inlet port of the add-on filter. Ensure the tubing is inserted 1/2 inch deep to prevent leaks. Step 5. Connect the tubing from the drinking water faucet to the outlet port of the add-on filter. Ensure the tubing is inserted 1/2 inch deep to prevent leaks. Secure the tubing with locking clips on both ends. Step 6. Turn on the feed water to the RO system and turn on the tank valve. Plug in the power for both the system and the add-on filter, if applicable. Allow the water to run for several minutes or until it appears clear. Be sure to check for any leaks. Congratulations! Your iSpring add-on filter installation is now complete. Remember to replace the filters as needed. For any questions, please refer to the user manual or contact us directly. Thank you for watching.